Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the exact account that viewed the shorts. This matters because history is account-specific. Once signed in, tap your profile icon, then go to Library and choose History. These are the first actionable steps to reach short history. Make sure device sync is on so your recent shorts appear, and remember that private or incognito views won't show. Now move on to filtering to find shorts specifically. On the history page, you continue by applying filters and using search to isolate shorts. This is the detailed middle step. Click the filters or use the search field within history to target recent dates and look for the vertical format thumbnails that indicate shorts. If you remember a word from the title or creator, type it to jump immediately. Once done filtering, scan results. Shorts often appear mixed with regular videos, so pay attention to duration and thumbnail. Finally, manage entries. You can remove individual shorts from history or clear watch history if you need a fresh start. That completes the task. To remove, click the three dots next to an item and choose Remove from Watch History. And to recover accidentally deleted items, check your Google account activity or device backups. If videos don't show, make sure sync is active and refresh the app or web page. This troubleshooting step fixes most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.